Is it important to feel as though I need to consistently achieve? I think that question is talking about being achievement oriented. Look, there's an achievement madness that exists in our world, and it always has. But it's really maddening at this point in time, because we're finding that there's something missing, even when we achieve. And what's missing is fulfillment, because there's a supposition that if you achieve, you're going to feel fulfilled. And you may, temporarily. You get the job promotion, you get the partner that you want, and you feel, that you've achieved, or even a project. And it's good, you should feel something. But generally, achievement doesn't result in fulfillment. Fulfillment actually happens as a consistent state. You're always in a state of fulfillment, which protects you from a vacillation and a pendulum swing of threat of punishment, promise of reward type tendency that's in your awareness as you move through life. So achievement madness is where we are right now in the 21st century. We're pretty crazy for achievement. Okay, thanks. And it's not bad, but it doesn't bring fulfillment. You can see that. You know that. Okay, see you. Read your resume and tell me if you feel fulfilled. See you. Bye. Bye-bye.